Hi guys, and welcome to another Watch Geek video. Today we get to find out the winner of the DW5035 for the 40,000 subscribers giveaway. Now, as you can see, this is a slightly different format than what I'm usually doing, because that's my usual historical format where I print out all your names, cut them out and put them in that little jar and then shake it and pull out your name, has become very time consuming because of the amount of comments that keeps growing as the channel is growing. Even the last time when I was doing the 30,000 giveaway, it took me literally hours to prepare for that video so I can pick a single winner. So I decided for this video, especially since there's even more and more comments, that I'm gonna be using a random picker. Now, because all the randomizers that are used as the apps still require you to input all the comments, that's again the most time-consuming part of it. So I found an online page that actually you put the URL of the video, it pulls all the comments automatically and then picks out a winner randomly. So we're gonna be using that. So let's move on and find out who the lucky winner is of this watch. I'm gonna be using my daughter's tablet. So we went to the video of the giveaway. We're gonna copy the link of the video or the URL, gonna jump to this page that picks a winner, paste the YouTube link, fetch the comments, anything goes, continue, and you're gonna see here comments being loaded. I don't know if the camera is gonna focus, and there we have 1,562 comments. Since one of my comments are also among there because I was answering your questions, if my name comes up, we're just gonna repeat the process. So let's find the winner. So good luck everyone, and may the luckiest guy win. Here he goes. Pick a winner. Juan Praharto. There, let's zoom in. Well, congratulations, and it even displays your comment. So your comment was, "Congrats, what a milestone, really good channel, keep up your awesome content." Well, congratulations, Yuan, and I hope you'll enjoy the watch. Now all you have to do is contact me via the email in the description with your real name and address so I can send the watch as soon as possible. And like I said, no matter where you live, I'm gonna send the watch at my own expense, and you can only end up paying customs duties and taxes if your customs decides to do it, because I will mark the watch as a gift. Anyways, that's it. Thank you all for participating, and stay tuned to the channel because there are going to be other giveaways as well. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed, and until the next time, bye.